I'm gonna solve problem number 3, which is divide negative 8c to the second minus 48c divided by c plus 6. And I'm gonna do long division. So first I want to set up my division. So I'm gonna write my dividend or my original polynomial inside the box. And then I'm gonna write c plus 6 or my divisor, or in other words the quantity by which I'm gonna divide by, out here. Next, I'm going to look at my leading terms, which are c and negative 8c to the second, and I'm going to ask myself, okay, c times what will give me negative 8c to the second? And I know that that quantity is going to be negative 8c, right? Because if I divide negative 8c times c, I get negative 8c squared. Next, I'm going to multiply negative 8c times c and negative 8c times 6. So I'm going to get negative 8c to the second, and negative 8c times 6 will give me negative 48 48c, right? Then, as in regular division, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract the quantity I got from the original quantity up here. So let's see, what do I get? So I'm going to get negative 8c to the second minus is a plus, so plus 8c to the second. I'm going to get 0c to the second. Again, negative ac squared plus, because I have minus 8c to the second, we'll just cancel things out and get a 0. Now I'm going to subtract negative 48c from negative 48c. So negative 48c minus is plus 48c. I'm also going to get a 0. So I'm basically done. So this is my remainder. My remainder is 0. This up here, that's my quotient or result. So this is my quotient or result. And this is my divisor. So if I were to write my answer, I know that my answer will be negative 8c, which is this right here. And then if I want to write it in the form quotient plus remainder over divisor, I will do negative 8c plus 0 over c plus 6. But since my remainder is 0, I'm going to have 0 plus 0 over c plus 6, which is just 0, right? So I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and this is my final answer, negative 8c, by looking at this upper portion in here.